In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Okay, so let's begin by opening settings and scrolling to reach this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again and this time tap on Device Unlock. Following that, select Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you. Swipe, pattern, PIN or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security, just this swiping animation. So if I were you, I will go with one of those, pattern, PIN or password. Now it's time to create it. If you made a mistake or change your mind, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you're ready, hit next to continue. Now it's time to repeat your login method in order to confirm it and select Confirm button. As you can see, my pattern is set, so I need to tap Done and adjust notifications on my lock screen by tapping on one of those options. Just answer this question: what do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on the lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, select Done. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. If you ever want to do anything with your screen lock in the future, you can tap on gear icon next to it to adjust all of those options. For example, make your pattern visible or invisible. Or in order to change it, tap on screen lock, enter your current one, and pick any other one you want to. Then set it up the same way we just did. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!